that remains flat.
They did give you an entire extension kit as well, and basically just turns into a regular household vacuum cleaner, which also is not an option that you can get with other small car cleaners. So yeah, that's your AUTOBOT VX Golden extension kit. Alright guys, so we are in this box that we've just built, and we're going to test out our AUTOBOT VX Gold with an extension kit. We're going to test this out in these environments. So we already know that it does a pretty good job picking up dust and dirt inside, indoors, but let's see how it works here. So we're going to go in the first mode. So it's picking up all the garbage. Let's go in second mode. Alright, so it did a pretty good job. So the beauty about these filters, you just gotta dust it off and wash it under some cold water, and you're ready to go. This thing also stays open, which is pretty good because most of the ones just kind of close off when you're trying to dump things. If you are going to be using this for vacuum compressing storage bags, which I have done successfully, be mindful that it's going to overheat. So what it does is it sucks the air and then just puts them into nice flat thin piece of plastic. Be mindful that it's going to overheat and it's going to turn off. So it's got this feature that it kind of turns off automatically before it gets too hot. Got a USB-C charging port right here, so you can charge it with a power bank. 2-hour charge gives you like 10 minutes on 16,000 PA and 20 minutes on 7,000 PA. 7,000 PM is more than enough when you're doing the regular cleanings. Stuff like this, I don't recommend you doing it, but I just need to get some of this dust out of here. Put this in. They did give you an entire extension kit as well, and basically just turns into a regular household vacuum cleaner, which also is not an option that you can get with other small car cleaners. So for example, you can do little mini versions of the vacuum or long versions. And now you have a regular vacuum cleaner. Now the very cool thing is, it actually rotates and goes under surfaces quite easily. Look. See? So you do, and it remains flat. So that's pretty neat. Take this part off. Other accessories that it came with: crevice brush, 2-in-1 little brush. And then for your car, you've got an flexible pipe, and then all these other extensions go on top of it. And then finally you've got this. This is kind of like your holder. And it's got a charging base. So you just put it down, boom, and it charges. And that's by USB-C. So yeah, that's your AUTOBOT VX Golden extension kit. Hope this was helpful.